Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can hide the tooltip as well as the MDN reference link in VS Code editor. Generally, whenever you're working on a code file, you see this sort of a tooltip. Let me take it over this element H1. So you will get this sort of a tooltip where you will have the MDN reference link. Same goes in case of CSS file. So if I'll go over this property background color, I'll get the tooltip as well as the MDN reference link. Now, if you only want to hide the MDN reference link, you can simply go to this file menu, preferences, and click on settings. Here you need to type MDN. So that MDN reference link is only available for 4 types of files. The first is CSS, the second is LS, the third is SCSS, and the fourth one is HTML. To disable it, you can uncheck this. Also for the CSS, uncheck this. Now let's see if we are getting the MDN reference link in the HTML file. Hover over the element. So you can see we are getting a tooltip, but now the MDN reference link is missing. Let's try with the CSS file. Hover over the background color. So you can see tooltip is there, but the MDN reference link is missing. Now in case you also want to disable this tooltip, you can go to settings again, and here you need to type editor.hover.enabled. So you will get this setting. You can see currently it's on. Simply click here and from the drop down pick off. Now let's go to the HTML file, hover over the element, and you can see we are not getting any tooltip. Let's try with the CSS file, and you can see it is totally gone. So I hope you understood how to disable the tooltip as well as the MDN reference link in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.